Chase Freedom Unlimited OSA pricing explained what you get for your money. The Chase Freedom Unlimited card is one of the most popular cashback cards in the US, and for good reason. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on the 5% base cashback, but the card's real value comes from bonus categories, introductory offers, and flexibility in redeeming rewards. You earn 5% cashback on all purchases, plus 5% on travel purchase through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3% on dining, and 3% on drugstores. For example, spending $0 annually across these categories could generate around an additional cashback compared to a standard card. The card also offers a generous introductory 0% APR on purchases for the first 15 months, which can help manage larger expenses interest-free. There's no annual fee, which makes it an excellent choice for those who want rewards without ongoing costs. Cashback is flexible. You can redeem for statement credits, direct deposits, travel, or gift cards. Pairing it with another Chase Ultimate Rewards card can further boost redemption value, making points worth more when transferred to travel partners. Additional benefits include purchase protection, extended warranties, and fraud monitoring, which safeguard your spending. While the card doesn't offer luxury travel perks, it's perfect for everyday spending, maximizing cashback and simplicity. In conclusion, Chase Freedom Unlimited is ideal for us residents who want hassle-free cashback with bonus categories and flexible redemption options. Using it strategically can earn significant rewards without paying an annual fee.